Hi, my beautiful souls. It's Jody. Hi, welcome. Oh my gosh. Hello and happy Monday. Let's get this camera situated. I am here. I'm present. Gosh, it's so good to see everybody and hear from everybody. Anyway, I am so excited. So I just want to say cheers. I got my tea. I hope everybody's doing great. We're drinking Egyptian licorice tonight. This is going to calm me down just a little bit because I have some really good news and I thought I'd share it with everybody tonight. So before we begin tonight, I just wanted to say thank you. Soft Soul Yoga, I was going to say SSY, but Soft Soul Yoga is now monetized with YouTube. And that only happened with you guys and with everybody being here with me, from every breath to every move to every comment. And I am so excited. I just wanted to say thank you. And we're going to do some more shows and we have so much more in store for us. I have in store for you guys, especially because we're going to be going on a lot of different locations come the summer. So I'm very excited. So thank you. I can't wait to hear from everybody later on. Well, also I have maybe a live show coming up, which will be fun and exciting. So I'm going to figure that one out too. But in the meantime, cheers. Oh, you know what? Wait. I was going to take it outside tonight, but I got home a little late and I figured I'd just hang low tonight because of all the excitement today. I was very excited. So, but look how cute these are. I found, oh my gosh, look. Little blue and white. I figure we have to match because tonight was a special occasion. So I love my mugs. And tonight I just figured that we're going to go with a soft flow tonight. Just take it all in. We'll do some deep breaths and we are going to do inhales, exhales, cat-cows. We're going to do rotation hips. We're going to do a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm glad you're all here with me. And I guess let's get going. So let's sit comfortable. Okay. Let's start. So I showered. You know me, need to get all showered up, feel fresh and relieved after a long day of work. And we're just gonna stretch and bend a little bit forward and then come up. Okay, we're gonna do 4 inhales and we're gonna do some exhales. So, inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Great. Let me just move this over a minute because I have my schedule here on how I'm going to do everything. So I have everything in order and this is the slow and flow. Yep. And then we're going to do, okay, let's do some neck rolls. Oh, my neck has just been really killing me. So let's try that. Let's go around. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go back the other way. Rotate it. Oh yeah. Feel those little Rice Krispies in there. Oh, perfect. We're gonna do our seated body waves. What's fun is these guys. Oh, and tonight, let me tell you what I'm wearing. So, this is just a free tank top from Free People. And my shorts are on Amazon. I link them all the time. These are the high cut, which are great because they give me a lot of movement to work out. And we're gonna start with cat-cows. Let's get those going. Ready? Okay, make sure, let's try to go into a triangle with our legs. Let your feet touch in the back. This is a different type of pose. So we're gonna stretch it back into child's pose. Let me grab that baby over there. I'm gonna stretch it into child's pose. And down. Oh yeah, I just heard that little crack in my back. Okay, now up. Okay, so cat, cow. Oh, and go deep. Go as deep as you can so you can feel your lower spine release, right? And up. Cat. Cow. Oh yeah. You can go on, if you need some modification, you can go on your elbows, but it's great to arch your back, just like that. Oh yeah. Do a little hip reflexors, just like this, guys and gals. Yeah. Side. 3. I am cracking all over the place. Oh, today I was so busy at work. 4, 5, 6. Oh, perfect. All right. Now we're gonna go down and up. Reach for the stars. Stretch those legs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, down. And the other side. 1, out, 2, out, 3, out, 4, out, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's do hip circles. This totally is like the best for your back. I don't care what anybody says. And this just releases all tension out of your body. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the other way. Got to do the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And a little side step. Okay. And now we got to drink some tea. Oh, God, I feel like I haven't been on in so long. And I'm so glad I'm here tonight. Just roll that up a little bit. I'm starting to break a little sweat here. Oh, cheers. So good. Love my tea. You guys, everything is linked in my, I'm actually going to set up a link tree, which will help out everything in one shot, one what do they call that? One link. So I have a lot to do now that I'm getting monetized. It's just crazy. So I'm just glad that everybody's here. Oh my God, thank you. And what else? I'm just gonna keep putting stuff out there for you guys. And what else? I was at work all day today, trying to think what happened. I had to deal with all the customers today. It was just a very busy day, so I couldn't wait to be here to release all that stress, because that just helps me unwind. And so let's just do a little side stretch. Okay. Oh, there you go. And if you want to get down and stretch and pull. Yes. It just feels so good to release that, all that you have built up from all day today. Oh my gosh. Then I didn't have my coffee. I went to work. I drove to 22-minute drive from my job to get home. Traffic in the morning takes me an hour and 10 minutes. Couldn't even stop and get coffee. Can you imagine? So my day started off like that, but I am now here and feeling great, and it's nice and quiet, how I love it, just peaceful. My hubby's outside. He's taking care of Molly tonight because Pablo is off. So we had to give him a day off. He was too busy. He had a lot of things going on. So John is taking care of the Molly tonight. Got a little itch. And so he's doing the feed and everything like that. But I'm just so happy to be here, and I can't wait. So I need to know I know you all are listening, so I'll know if you really are listening. Oh, also, please, I just wanted to say one thing before let me remember what I was going to say. Make sure you like and subscribe. That really helps my channel grow, and everybody is there with me, so I appreciate you all. Thank you. Lots of shout outs. I will do shout outs when we do live feeds. I hear that this is something that I get to do now since I'm monetized, so that would be fun. So I might do a live show on Friday, so yay. Make sure you come, set your reminders, I guess. And what else? And it all depends on the weather. I may do a live show inside, because by the time I get home and stuff, it gets a little crazy with timing. But what else? So, let's stretch our little toes. Oh yeah. Okay. Put that leg under there a little, and put your left over your right and twist. Push so you can release all your vertebrae in your back. It'll go pop, 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 pop. Switch the legs and do your right side and go like that. Oh God, that feels so good. It is amazing. I'm so happy you guys are with me today. This is so great. Now we're just gonna stretch it out a little bit. We're gonna do a little pigeon. Let's do a little pigeon. Oh yeah, and just lay there for a little bit. Hi. Oh, it feels good. Okay, we're gonna do the other side. This stretches out and elongates your body. And we're gonna lay it out. I'm back. So, anyway, so what else? So I just wanted to say hi. So, I'm glad you're back with me tonight. Don't forget to have your tea. Don't forget to subscribe. And make sure you hang around because you could see my next video right after I'm done here. And for all the new people joining my channel, thank you for being here. Thank you for staying here. And I am just so grateful to what's going on right now. So anyway, I want everybody to have a lovely evening. And let's do a little wiggle. Okay. Let's bring our hands in prayer. Quiet. Thank you. See you on the next round.